Hello, in this video I want to explain to you what is Grok. Okay, so Grok is basically the chatbot created by Elon Musk. It's similar to ChatGPT, and we have two methods how we can use it. We can simply open up our browser and type Grok, then click on the first link, and the Grok launches. And also we can use it on the X platform. In here, as you take a look, we have the Grok. In here we can simply ask him the questions, or for example analyze the posts that are on the homepage. To use Grok in the post, for example, we have this post right in here. Click on this icon explaining this post, and the AI will tell us some information about it. Basically, in this bar we can ask him for anything and we will get our answer. When you click on that button, we can add an attachment from our PC. For example, we can add some photos or another files, so he'll be able to scan them and give us some information about them. Same thing, of course, with the Grok in the second page. On the left side we can manually type the questions to it, just like that. Second option is for using voice commands. If you are connected on a PC, you will have to connect your microphone. Simply click on allow right in here, and now our microphone is working. You can see that it's detecting my speech currently, and that's the second method how we can type and use the Grok, by simply voice commands. Next thing is the Imagine version. In here, as you take a look, we have photos generated by the AI. Below, of course, again we can type, or for example attach our own photo, and the Grok will be able to modify it thanks to AI. And also we can, for example, edit those photos that right in here. So let's say I'll pick that one. If you click on that, you can make this photo, for example, a custom, make it spicy, fun, or normal. You can turn it into a video if you click on that button. Now it's generating. We need to simply wait a little bit until it's finished. We can share with this photo, download it into our PC, and when you click on that, you can add it into your favorites. If you click the heart icon, it's still generating, so let's wait until it's finished. Okay, and you can see that it turned into a short video. That's the photo, and that's the... When you click on that icon, we have the video. Below we have the projects. You can create a new one right in here. Select the name of the project, and below we can add the project instructions. Add instructions about the tone, style, and persona you want Grok to adopt. Then simply type something and click on next. You can also share with the projects. If you click share with me, if you have some links, for example, that your friend gave you, you will see it right in here. Below we have the history of the conversations, and if you are interested, for example, with premium version of the Grok, you need to click on your icon right in here and select upgrade plan. Okay, we can pay monthly for our subscription. We have the Super Grok right in here. We can see that it's most popular. It costs $30 per month. Below we can see what things we get thanks to that. So we have increased access to Grok 4, increased access to Grok 3, which is the previous version, extended memory, priority voice access, Imagine, image model, companions Annie and Valentine, and everything that was in the basic plan. Also we have the Super Grok Heavy, and it costs 10 times more. You can see $300 per month, and below you can read what this will give you. If you click on View Team Plans, you can see that it costs, the Grok teams costs $30. And below we can see what access we will get when we buy this version. Same thing with the premium version on the X. To get access into Grok Premium on your X account, click the Premium. As you scroll down, you can see that we have the Premium pack. It also costs $30, or the Premium, and thanks to that we will also get access into the Super Grok, which allows us to get highest usage limits and early access to new features. In here you can see a comparison how it looks like with the Premium or the Premium Plus version of the X platform itself and the Grok AI. Alrighty, here. Okay, let's get back into the main page on the X, and for example, if you want to create a post, you can click on this icon and change your post with Grok. In here you can generate the image or enhance your post, but to use this option you need to first type something. So let's say type something like that. Now let's click on enhance and enhance your post, and now the Grok will analyze our text and make it, for example, more formal, or it will simply look in the best way our text that we have just typed. Just like that. If you click on that icon, you can see how it will look like. You can reload it, so he will do it once again. And now we can insert it as a post, and it will appear on the main page. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.